Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nuralam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today I am here. As you can see, today's right now morning time, very neat and clean, and we are fresh. Okay, as you can see. Okay, actually I will share you my uh, daily morning routine. Okay, actually every day uh, I usually uh, wake up uh, 4:30 around. Okay, and after that I go to uh, my washroom and uh, teeth my brush and face my wash. Okay, and after that I go to masjid and completed my fajr complete my fajr prayer, and after that uh, come back my room, and here I wear my uh, exercise dress like right now, uh, uh, as you can see. Okay, and after that uh, I came here every day. Okay, because this is my favorite place. Okay, as you can see, this is a airport area, and as you can see, uh, the airport uh, is the airport is very close to me, as you can see. Okay, so and uh, after that I make videos like motivational type, and like my daily routine share you, and uh, my good habits, and uh, my learning experience every day. Okay, so every day I try came here. Okay, and every day I try practice video make. Okay, so and after that uh, after my videos completed, uh, I exercise. I do exercise like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and I run. Okay, here I learn here. Okay, uh, and I try every day. Okay, here. Okay, this is a short street, uh, and beside a another street. Okay, so uh, this is my morning routine, and uh, completed my exercise. uh, I come back my room, and and uh, uh, wash my face, and after that I I I learn something like grammatical part, and like uh, any learning part. Okay, every day I try something learn. Okay, so actually this is my daily routine. So I hope you understand to me. So uh, right now I am going to exercise, and after exercise I come back my room. Okay, and this is a nice view, as you can see. Actually, I try walking, and because my brother and sister, exercise very important our uh, for good health. Okay, so that's why every day I try exercise and walk. Okay, so that's why I came here, and uh, as you can see, uh, every morning time, uh, come and go many people's. Okay, so as you can see, this is a morning fresh. Okay, so every day I try uh, like video make, and every day I try walk. Okay, as you can see, my okay, here use people, there are many people come and go, and I make videos. Okay, so actually I am very shy person, but every day I try. Okay, actually I want to remove my shyness. Okay, because shyness is uh, very bad. Okay, so that's why I try a public place, uh, uh, talk. Okay, so uh, okay, actually this is a village type area, and here a this is a mosque, Irshal Colony Jame Masjid. Sometimes here I complete uh, prayer. Okay, actually I am going railway station. Okay, and as you can see, today's weather very nice. Okay, every day I try. Uh, okay, actually today's weather very nice, neat and clean, and my beside huge building, as you can see. And today's uh, rainy day. Okay, so that's why uh, every day I try make video like motivational type, like my daily routine share. And as you can see, okay, actually I am very shy person. Okay, so when comes people, me, I fully stop. Okay, I don't talk. This is my actually this is my uh, weakness. So I hope I remove my weakness day by day. And as you can see, this is a train, and going to this train. Okay, so as you can see, actually every day I try. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video. Thank you so much everyone, and I want to just only one thing: keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistent, because uh, because because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so never give up, uh, believe in yourself, and every day just practice. Okay, so thank you so much. watching this video. And as you can see, this weather very neat and clean and nice. Okay, and my beside railway station, as you can see, and this is a public place. Okay, and here there are some dogs enjoy. Okay, so thank you so much once again. And so see you soon in the next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.